Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we're going to start with the calculation of goodwill. So in this video, we are going to solve two questions. One is average profit method and another is weighted average profit method. So let us see the question and we'll solve the question. So let us read the question. The profit for the 5 years. So how many years? So it has been given for 5 years. For 2013, it is 4 lakh. For 2014, it is 3 lakh 98,000. 15, 16, and year 17. So calculate goodwill of the firm basis of 4 years purchase. 4 year purchase they have already given in the question of 5 years average profits. So let us see how we can calculate that. So this is the column we use for the calculation of goodwill. So calculation of goodwill. Right. So here we'll take the year and we'll take amount here. Amount or you can write it as profits. Right. So what is the years they have given? 2013, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Total 5 years they have given from 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. So what is the profits for each year? For 2013 it has been given as 4 lakh rupees and next year 3 lakh 98,000 and 2015 it is 4 lakh 50,000 and 2016 4 lakh 45,000 and for 2017 it is 5 lakh rupees. So we need to total the profits and we need to take an average. So let us see how we can do that. So total the profits first. So 4 lakh rupees plus 3 lakh 98,000 plus 4 lakh 50,000 plus and 4 lakh 45,000 plus 5 lakh rupees. So total profit is 21 lakh 93,000. 21 lakh 93,000 for 5 years. So we need to get the average. So how many years are they? 5 years. So 21 lakh 93,000 divided by 5. So which will give average profit per year. So which is giving 4 lakh 38,000 600 rupees is the average profit. So we need to find out the goodwill. For goodwill, so we need to multiply average profit into number of purchase year. So which will be given in the question. So for the firm basis of 4 year purchase. So 4 year purchase which means average profit that is this one 4 lakh 38,000 just we got into 4 years is the years of purchase, correct? So 4 lakh 38,000 into 600, 4 lakh 38,600 into 38,600 into 4 years. So which will give us 17 lakh 54,400 rupees. 17 lakh 54,400 rupees will be your goodwill, right? So goodwill. This is how you will calculate goodwill under average profit method. So let us see weighted average profit method. In this method, how we can calculate the goodwill. So let us read the question. So already they have given 5 years profit. Fine. So here the profits are given. Calculate value of goodwill on basis of 3 years purchase. So 3 years purchase, which means average profit into 3 years purchase into 3 we need to do, right? So weighted average profits based on weights also they have given. So 1 2 3 4 5. So let us see how we can get the goodwill, right? Let us draw the column first. So this is the column we are going to use to calculate goodwill, right? Calculation of goodwill. Let us see how we can do that. So first thing, we will take the year and profits, whatever given. We have the weights, weights and product. So let us see how we can calculate. Here is 2012-13, 2012-13, profit was 20,000. Whatever there, you just copy now. 2013 to 14, 14 to 15, 15 to 16, 16 to 17. These are the years given. And 24,000, 30,000, and again 25,000 and 18,000. These are the profits given in the question. So weights also given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us calculate the product. How we can calculate the product? Profit multiplied by weights. So 20,000 into 1, it is 20,000. 24,000 into 2, it will be 48,000. Let me calculate it. So 48,000. Correct. So then 30,000 into 3, it will be 90,000. Like this, you need to multiply. 25,000 into 4, it is 1 lakh. And 18,000 into 5, into 5, 90,000. Total this, total the product 20,000 plus 48,000 plus 90,000 plus 1 lakh rupees plus again 90,000. So you will get it as 3 lakh 48,000. 3 lakh 48,000. Right. So what is the total of weights? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. It is 15. Correct. So 15. Now whatever total profit, sorry, total product we got, that divided by weights. So product divided by weights. So you will get the profit, average profit. 3 lakh 48,000 divided by 15. How much it is? 3 lakh 48,000 divided by 15. It is 23,200 rupees. Average is 23,200 rupees. Fine. Now, whatever 23,000, to calculate goodwill, whatever 23,000 200 we got, we need to multiply with the 3 years purchase already given in the question. So we need to multiply with the purchase equals 23,200 into 3. So what is the amount we are getting? 69,600 rupees is the goodwill you got. Right. So this is the end of the video. If you have any doubts, any confusions, you can ask through the comment, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.